Right, good morning, traders and investors. Hope you had a lovely week last week. Although we had some ups and downs, also Jerome Powell hinted at possible flexible, that's what they call it, flexible rates, meaning I believe he's going to cut rates in September. But let's just see what's going to happen. Now, for my trades, I'm just going to jump into my trades today. Maybe I'm going to do another video on everything that happened, all the main events from the last week that sorry about that. I had to clear my throat. It's in the morning where I am currently. As you can see, I'm also on the road right now. So let's get the trades in that I did last week. First of all, I received here, we are talking about the week from the 18th to the 22nd of August. So let's jump in here. First of all, we received a couple of dividends from our favorite company, and this is Novo Nordisk. Well, it's not my favorite anymore, but it was at one time. So let's type in here Novo Nordisk, and it's the B shares. Novo. Here's a ticker symbol, and this was on the 19th of August. Obviously, I'm not starting with the start of the week. So let me just do a quick calculation because it's already reducing taxes. 40 plus 24, so it's 5.47. That's a pretty nice dividend from Novo Nordisk. Now this is tax included, so it was a net of 50. This was euros net of 56.21. Let's just take a look at Novo's. I missed that the ticker symbol. This is the wrong one. It seems I do have some problem with my internet. Nevertheless, let's take a look at the next trade that I did, or this actual trade that I did last week. I was really cautious with, here to set it, I was really cautious with Amazon last week. Although I believe Amazon is going to rip in 2026 and in 2027, but still sold down a little bit of my position. Also made here Amazon, the symbol AMZN, made a small little change to my position, and this was on the 18th, so it was on Monday, and gained there 67.6 euros, and that is translating into 58.04 cents. So small gain, still a gain. Then I continued with MercadoLibre. Sold once more MercadoLibre. I'm buying it, selling it. I'm just waiting for the right spot to hold it for a bit longer. So MercadoLibre, ticker symbol MELI, sold it also on the 18th and had a 56.7. Oops, 576. That's not right. 56.7 gross gain, and there's a 48.68 net gain for this company. Pretty happy with my move there. If MercadoLibre falls once more, I'm going to rebuy. I also did a revenge trade on Opendoor technology, ticker symbol open, on the 18th. Made a couple of bucks there, 52.6. Let's set it here. Now, sadly, Opendoor rallied once more, or sadly for me, and happily for you, still holding open. Still talking about this share going to 10 bucks here. I don't know, man. I'm being really cautious with Opendoor here. Then sold my position in Palo Alto network. Completely sold it. Didn't want to risk the Jackson Hole downturn. It did do a downturn. It's kind of stayed down afterwards. Well, actually not. It's just in a range bound. So I may be buying it back on another pullback. So let's see here. I have to sum this up because it did two trades. This was on the 19th, so this one was on Tuesday. Oh, that's perfect. That's a around 80 euro trade, and there we go. We're pretty good. We're pretty good for this week so far. 236 euros, and this is net, reminding you, and $276 that is. And so I sadly sold my position in Airbnb. I just didn't want to have this over the weekend in my portfolio, but I'm going to buy it back. I believe this is going to turn around the ABNB after the rate cuts. So let's just think about it. If rates are going to be cut, it also means that more pumpers will be bought, and it also means more revenue maybe for ABNB. So this happened on the 19th of August and made here 29.2, 29, there we go, 2 a share. And sadly sold one of my favorite positions, but it had to go, and that is Eli Lilly and Company, ticker symbol LLI. Y. So ticker symbol LLY. Sold it also on the 19th, but made a nice real gain here of 300.29 euros. I also made a couple of under 10 euro trades, but you know what? I'm not going to mention them here. This will be only honorable mentions on Fortinet, Palantir, Physical Gold, and Cisco Systems, but they round up into a max of 20 euros in sum. So there will be hitting the target this week. Pretty proud of it. Netting out 567 euros, and that is 616 for the last week. Now, as I mentioned, the last week was really skittish with Powell hinting or with the Jackson Hole meeting coming up. It did happen on Friday, and well, it went well. I would say it went well. The stock market rallied on that, and we're looking good for the next week. So stay safe out there. That's Noel PM wishing you a lovely weekend. Catch you next time. Bye bye.